There's two types of questions you can be asked. You can be asked internal, touching internally or touching externally. Here's an example of external, right? So what we're basically saying is that the distance between both centers of the circle equals the distance between the two radiuses added together. Would everybody be happy with that? Distance between the two centers is R1 plus R2. I think that makes a lot of sense visually, doesn't it? Now, the opposite is where one of them is inside the other one. Okay, that's called internal division. So example is if I was to make this one slightly smaller, just for argument's sake, and then I put it in here. I can even put a sort of up at an angle like that, right? Now, I'm going to imagine that the center of the circle is here, here. Okay, I'm just going to draw a line. So does everybody see that red line there? Right, now, here's the deal. What's the distance between the two circles this time? See the green line? It's green line, which is R1. And this is the blue line, which is the radius of the smaller one. R1 take away R2 will give you the distance. It will give you the pink distance here, won't it? Because the pink distance plus the blue distance is the same as the big radius, isn't it? So R1 minus R2 is B. But that's for internal division. Which one are we using for this question? Yeah. I'm doing the more difficult one. Internal is considered harder than external. Okay. Now, prove that you put internally. So what's the first thing we need to do here? 2gx and 2f. Y. G is minus 2 and f is 3. Therefore, the center of the circle is 2 minus 3. And the radius, what is it? Oh, yeah. Thank you. So 2 and plus 3. Thanks. Right. G squared f squared minus c. What's the c value? 5. What's the radius value? The R1. What do we get? Both of them. Oh, there's an R1 and an R2. All right, guys. That is going to be. That's going to be 4. That's going to be 13. Oh, no. Yeah, I knew that was wrong. Again, a minus radius. We got root 8. Everybody happy with root 8? Okay. Next thing. We got to do exactly the same thing. Yes. Yes. Right. For the second one, G is minus 3 and F is minus 4 and C value 23. Is that all right? We all good? Okay. Now, all right, lads, same formula again, isn't it? G squared is minus 3 squared, F squared is. That's 23. Sorry, that's 25. 25 take away 23 is root 2. And the center of the circle is, center of the circle is 3, 4, is it? Okay. So, currently, we have two sets of data here, okay? The first set of data is a center of 2, C23, right? And a radius of ray. And then the other one is a center of 3, 4, and a radius of root 2. Now, what did we say the routine was again? What? R1 minus R2. Okay. So, what is R1 take away R2? What's root 8 take away root 2? Huh? Yeah, because oddly enough, root 8, when you throw it into the calculator, is 2 root 2. And 2 root 2 take away root 2? Root 2. So the d value, which is r1 take r2, which is 2 root 2 take root 2. And what do we say the answer is? Root 2. Awesome. We okay with that? That is the answer. Now, I now have to get the distance between both centers, don't I? Because the distance between both centers has to equal root 2. So we call this one x1 and call this one. And then we're using the, what's it, the coordinate geometry formula, aren't we? What is it? Yeah. And then, okay, then what? 3 minus 2 squared, yeah. And then the next part, 4 take 3 squared, and long behold, it is root 2. Therefore, they therefore cool. Touching apparently. Is that right? Cool. All right. The other parts. Go on. Finish this to completion. Right. Lads, does anyone remember how you find the common tangents or the common chord? What you do to both circles? You take both circles away from each other, and it'll either give you the common chord or common tangent. So let me explain. In the case of this, there's a common tangent. The common tangent hits it like that. Does everybody see it? Now, in the case where both circles sort of overlap each other like this would be known as common chord. Does everybody see that? You get the common tangent or the common chord taking both circles away from each other. So just get one circle and take away the other one, yeah? So I'm going to write this one here. And then I'm just going to minus the other one directly underneath it. And long behold, my common tangent would be, anybody? 2x, yeah? 2y minus 18 equals 0. Divide both sides by 2. X plus y minus 9 equals 0. Okay with that? That is the equation of the common tangent. Now, what does it want in the last part? It wants the point of contact. It wants this blue dot here. Ever see it? Pick one of the circles, doesn't matter which one. I think I'll pick the one with 5 in it, because I already have it on the board in its plus form. Means I don't have to write it out again. So lazy I am. Okay. And I have this equation here, don't I? Now, we did this in early 5th year we did this in September. What's this known as? One linear, one, and it's known as a simultaneous equation, one linear, one quadratic. Okay, what do I have to do to solve this equation? Yeah, x or 1 its own. I'll just get x on its own. So it's 9 minus y. Then what you do then? Sub into the quadratic. And lo and behold, you can yeah, you're gonna are expecting 1 or 2 answers for y? 2. Usually you expect 2. Because that only touches once, I'm expecting a repeat answer, the same answer twice. So I'm only expecting 1 answer for y. If it was a chord, if this was a chord situation, how much would I be expecting? 2. It's not a chord, it's a tangent, so I'm only expecting 1. Okay. So if you square this out, it's going to be 9 minus y by another 9 minus y. Anybody know what to do there? Huh? Yeah. Plus y squared. Okay, what happens now? 2y squared, yeah. Oh, minus 20y. Is that right? 18 plus 4 is Yeah, I got it. And then 81 take away 36 is 55. Is that right? No, it's not. No, it's 45. 45 plus 5, 50. Yeah, I think we have it now. I'm happy with that. Anything that gives me a repeat route, I'm pretty happy with. Because I know I'm only expecting one answer, aren't I? So if I don't get one answer, what does that mean? I've done it wrong. Yeah, we're pretty happy with that. When you factorize that out, it's going to be y minus 5 and y minus 5, y minus 5 is 0. And then what should we get here? Y equals 5. And if y equals 5, what's the x value? 9 take away 5. 4, 5. That kill you guys? Okay.